So hi guys, a very warm welcome from Archti Creations. We are in our lesson 2 of dot mandala. In the lesson 1 we have learned how to create the dot mandala charts and do various kinds of dot mandalas. So in case you have not checked that out, I am mentioning the link in the description box below. Do check it out. For this lesson I have taken a black sheet. This is smaller than the A4 sheet and I have marked a square. The dimensions of the sides are 5.5 inches by 5.5 inches. Okay, and you can take any color sheet if you don't want a black sheet, though the dot mandalas look very beautiful on a black surface. That's why I have taken. So just mark a square. Now here we are going to be doing our practicing so that we can do beautiful coasters in the next session. Now for this, what we are going to do is I'll be using my compass and protractor to first make a template or a base on which we will be doing our dots. Now for doing that, what we are going to do is we are going to create a small semicircle at the base. So just mark a point at 3 cm. Now you can take your compass. For visibility purpose, I am taking my white Apsara pencil. As I told you in the first material required lesson, I am taking my white color pencil. So this is going to help me give a marking or indication that this part is going to be the basic semicircle. Now here, because we are beginners, we will be doing markings at various points. So next, mark a line at 1 cm. We are going to mark a line at 1 cm. We are going to mark 4 lines. Now, if you are okay, you can also do marking with your normal pencil. So here I am doing a marking. Now I am doing light markings here. So here I have done this at 3 cm, 4, 5, 6 and 7 cm. So here we will be doing different types of dots out here in these parts. So we'll be using 1, 2, 3, 4 different colors here. And let me do one more. So we can use 5 different colors here. So these dots. Now what we are going to do is we are going to create bigger dimensions out here. So here what we do is now mark at 2 cm 2 lines. Again, they should not be very dark. So this I have marked. Now we will be using our protractor. You can use any protractor of your choice here and put this at 0 degrees. Now this is a 90-degree angle. What we are going to do is, for helping us, I am going to be marking my points at 10 degrees. So I have marked all my points at 10 degrees. Now take your white color pencil, take your tall long scale and just mark them. Connect it to this point and light lines. Now this is going to help us have a proper grid to do our mandalas. So in this way my basic grid is ready out here, and since the basic grid is ready, we will now start using our colors. So let us start. Now the grid is ready. We will be creating a beautiful rainbow mandala here. For that I will be using my red, orange, yellow, green, blue and purple color. Since I did not have a purple, so I have made my purple, but I have not added any water to it. Now take your brush. I have marked this 2 cm here. So just take a brush and put thick color here, and using the thick color just fill up your semicircle, or even in fact a quarter circle. Now if you add water, that is going to flow. It's not going to be very useful when we are doing our dot. So just do the trick. Now we have these. Now for this particular mandala, I'll be using my thinner one. Let me give you the dimension of this. This is 3.5 mm. Now I'll be using this 3.5 mm and I'll be making the dots in the center of the grid here, like this. like this. We have done it right in the center. Now after this we will use our next size, and the next size is a 4 mm. So just take your 4 mm and we will draw it on the line here. Now be very careful. After this I am going to be taking my small dots. This is my tool with small dots. If you don't have this, you can also use your toothpicks, and I'll be making my dots here, small ones here. As well as here. Like this. So we've done our small dots. Now we come to our next color, and that is the light blue. Now light blue here, I'm using my same 4 mm. I'm using my light blue color, and we will be doing our dots in the center first. Like this. After you've done it in the center, now we'll do it on the lines. Like this. Now we've done this. Now take your tiny tool and we will be doing dotting in between here. Now be very careful because the color is wet. Dots take a very long time to dry. This, our light blue color is done. We will come back to these colors when we are doing the later part, but for the initial bit, now we come to our green color. Again, I'm taking light green because it's going to be it's going to look more beautiful on top of this. Now we will go to the higher grade now. Now what I'm doing is I'm going to do a little thinner dots of the lighter grade. So I'm using a 3.5, the one which I used for purple here, same size. And we will be doing a line in which each of these are going to be having 2 of the green. So this way we've done a light green right here. Now we come to the thicker color. We will now be using our 4 which we've used for this purple and this. Take it and we will put it in the center. So there is a lot of space here. So depending upon the space, you can take either a thin one like a 3 mm here I'm taking, and I'm going to create a dot here. Like this. So it's a little different, but it's looking nice. The light green brush. Now after the light green version, I will be coming to my next color, and that is yellow. Now in yellow, we will move to first the 4 mm. We'll be able to create 2 of these in each of the blocks. Now I'm going to go for a thicker one. Now this is a 4.5. Here we've gone for a thicker version, that is 4.5 here, and in between we will be using a 3.5. Now next we will be going to orange. Now for the orange, I'm going to my 5 directly. I'm going to a higher version. Like the orange, and we are going to do now here I'm taking my red. I'm going to be taking a bigger version of it. Now this is a 6 mm and I'm doing my red 6 mm here. So there is not much difference that I have created between both of these. And now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to create thinner dots around the red. For that I'm using my 3.5 mm. So let me turn this around because this is really wet. So this way we have done. I'm going to now create a line of red. Now this line of red you can create with any size. It has to be on this white line. So I'm creating it with my 4 mm. So this. Now what we are going to be doing is, now right in the center. Now first count these. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here in the center we are going to be creating the dots and we will be doing tapering around them. So for doing that, now take a thicker one. I'm taking 8 mm. Now these dots we have created. These are big 8 mm dots. You can create dots of any size that you want. Now we are going to be taking our tapering tools. Now as I told you in the basics material required lessons, only these tools are really good for doing the tapering work. So here I'll be using these to do our first line. So first line is going to be using red color only. First make your center dots. then this way we have created tapering, and the same way we are going to create tapering on the other side. So this way. Now we have done red. Now we are going to leave red. Red we are done with. Now we are going to be doing with our next color, that is orange. First I'm going to keep this first line size with the same. So this way we have done our orange second line. Now we will go for a little thicker version of orange. So now we have done the second row with orange. Now orange is done. We will go to our next color, and that is going to be with yellow. So this way we are going to do with yellow. So this way we've done yellow. Now yellow ka we'll do one. Then next we come to green. Now for green we'll go in for a little thicker one. So we will be using this. This way we are going to do light green. So this way we've done our light green. Next we will be doing our light blue. So we will go in for the same size for light blue. So now हमारी dotting यहीं तक होगी. We will not need to take it only one side का, we will take it inside. So this way we've done our light blue, and now we will be doing our purple. So this way we've done our purple. Now this finishes our first project where we've created this beautiful design in mandala style. Now do create your own. You can use the color combinations of your choice and practice for us to start our coaster making in the next session.
Do like our video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the notification button so that you can be notified as soon as we put a new video or are live on our channel. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.